Israel and Hamas agrees to 6-month ceasefire. Report. Iran's Rouhani, today's condition not for negotiations. UN urged clamor heads amid US-Iran tensions. Omani FM meets Iranian counterpart in Tehran. Regime attacks kills 12 in Syria's de-escalation zones. Saudi intercepts 2 ballistic missiles from Yemen. Egypt police killed 12 in shootouts near Cairo. US Muslim Congress members host iftar meal at Capitol. Over 30 killed in Tajikistan prison raids. Myanmar gunfight kills school girl in Rakhine. Air strikes kill 5 civilians in Afghanistan's Helmand. UN demands answer on Syrian killings in Kashmir.